The second reason was really to do with the timeline. When I was in, I think year 7 or year 8, I got taken to a place called SciTech in Perth, and the scientist was taking us through the timeline of planet Earth as we knew it. And she did this really interesting thing where she grabbed a piece of red tape, and the room was about, I suppose, about 6 to 7, I don't know, 6 meters long, let's say. It's like a room size. And she said, this is how long the Jurassic period, and she walked over the other side, and the thing was tied on this end, and this was the I don't know what order, the Triassic or whatever, all the other eras in time. And she walked across the room back and forth 6 times carrying this red thread. Then halfway across the 7th time, she pulled out sort of like just over a centimeter of this thread and said, and this is how long humans have been on this planet, and look what we've done to it during that time. And I was like, wow. Because I thought about, say you had a plant like a rosemary bush and you'd had it for all these years, and then literally overnight it grew all these tiny little metal objects that blew pollution, and all these people going all like, miniature tiny things, you'd think that something from the outside, you wouldn't think, oh, the rosemary bush just suddenly naturally grew all these little metal things. You'd think, and little beings that are just morphing around, not knowing what they're doing. You'd think something from the outside had happened in order to have created that overnight. So the time period thing was a big reason why I got interested in us potentially being half alien, half monkeys. But I continue if you want to stay with me.